it's an Icadol, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing something that's kind of weird and not really that normal. It is a mouse pad. So guys, specifically, it is the SteelSeries QCK Heavy mouse pad. So guys, this mouse pad is absolutely massive. It is 900 by 400 millimeters, as you guys can see somewhere on the box right here, guys. You can see right there. I don't know if it's focusing. It is also a cloth material, so it is really big, guys. And I am super excited to try this and unbox it and see. You can feel it right here. It's pretty soft. It's not like that soft. Like, it's soft, but it's like not that soft. So I'm excited to try this. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox it, guys. Let's do it. It's the extra large, as you guys can see. Is the Quick Heavy. I didn't see too many reviews on it on YouTube, and I thought, well, maybe someone wants to see it before they buy it, so yeah, I might as well make a review on it. I saw like 2 or 3 videos on it, so, you know, good video, guys. Super excited. SteelSeries always makes great quality things. I have 2 of their headsets, so I'm super excited. It's probably going to be a really good product. If I can open it, guys. Okay, there we go. Okay, guys, open it up. It's just simply going to be the mouse pad. It actually takes kind of a while to open. And there we go, guys. Okay, so it's going to completely roll out. So as you guys can see right there, it's going to be absolutely massive. I'm super excited. So I'm going to change the camera angle and show you guys how big it is. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm trying to get the best angle possible, and this is the best one that I could find. So as you guys can see, here is my regular mouse pad, so it isn't in comparison, right there. And then, when we bring out this massive thing, as you can see right there. Oh my god, it's actually really big. We gotta move everything over real quick, guys. As you can see, bang. Really freaking big. Definitely gonna have to move some things around, guys. Definitely gonna have, like, it takes up like my entire desk, guys. You can put your mouse there, you can put your keyboard, and it doesn't even take up all of the room. It's actually crazy, guys. This mouse pad is literally massive, guys. Look at it. Look how big that is, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna adjust some things around. It's literally just a desk pad at this point. It's not even a mouse pad. It's literally gonna cover my keyboard and everything. So yeah. That is a massive thing, guys. I'm super excited. It's going to be super comfy to play on, guys. Let's see how easy it is to glide your mouse back and forth. Let's move that over. So if you just glide it back and forth. It's very easy to move back and forth. Some mouse pads are really rough, but this is really smooth and really free. So it's really nice, guys. If you guys want to take a look at the back, it has the SteelSeries logo. I don't know if you guys can see it nice and clear. Wait here. I don't know. It's kind of hard to see. Has the SteelSeries logo right there, guys. So yeah, also SteelSeries logo in the corner right here. Very discreet, very nice, guys, as you can see. So yeah, this is a very good mouse pad. I'm super excited to use it, guys. Okay, yeah, so here's everything set up. As you guys can see, compared to a 100% gaming keyboard, this desk pad, I'm gonna call it desk pad, you guys can call it mouse pad, is literally massive. As you guys can see, here's a 100% keyboard, and look how much extra room you still have for your mouse. So if you want to game like this with your keyboard sideways like this, guys, your wrist will still be resting right here on the nice mouse pad, and then you have all of this room to extend your mouse pad everywhere, guys. This is such a massive mouse pad, guys. I'm in love with it. I cannot wait to use it. So yeah. And that's gonna be my video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, share with friends, and that's gonna be the blip out. Peace, guys.